In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Python on VS Code. So let's see how we can do this thing. This tutorial is applicable for any version of VS Code, whether it is for Windows version or Mac version or Linux version. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open the Finder. As I'm using Mac, so I'm going to open VS Code from here, and very shortly it will be opened. Then I'm going to close this welcome screen. Now it's time to install Python with VS Code. So basically what we need to do, we need to come here on VS Code. Left side there are a couple of icons are there. We have to click the last icon, which is the extensions pack icon, and there is a search box, and here we need to type Python, and after typing Python we can hit return key, or it will do automatically, it will show all the results. So there are different Python is there, but I'm not going to download or install this plugin all of them. Rather I'm going to install only one plugin, that is the Microsoft's Python one. So if you check carefully, there is two options are there: Python language, and this support, and Python developer. I'm going to install the first one, Python, and once I click here, right side you will see on button is there, install. So to install this Python extension, basically what you need to do, we need to click this install button, and very shortly it will be installed, and there is a small progress bar, and once it is downloaded successfully, then you will get this type of environment. Okay, so you can configure it here, or later you can also do. So now once the installation is complete, then if you click here, you will see that there is no, like for this case, this one I didn't install, not that one. For example, this one I didn't install, there is install button, but for this case there is no install button. That means it installs successfully, and there are a couple of buttons are there, like this uninstall, disable, and some other things. So whenever there is no install button, that means that Python is installed successfully. Now we can close it, and we can also close the extension window, and we can try whether it is working properly or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new new file here, like x.py, and I'm going to save it on downloads folder, for example. Okay, and then I'm going to type on simple program like print, just to test whether the Python is working properly or not. So I'm going to type like FewSteps here, and then I'm going to run it, and if it is like this plugin is installed successfully, then we'll see the output here, and that means basically the Python extension is installed successfully with VS Code. Now we can start developing our Python code inside this VS Code.